In this video, I will explain how to find the standard equation of a circle given the center of the circle and a point on the circle. So recall the standard equation of a circle is written in this form. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So I have a couple examples for us to work through here. Let's check out the first one. Write the standard equation of a circle with the center at 2, 4, and it contains the point 5, 12. So the center of the circle, these coordinates 2, 4 represent the h and the k in our equation. So we can fill those in for our equation. So we can write x minus h squared, h is 2, plus y minus k squared, well k is 4, is equal to r squared. So the only thing left to find now is r, the radius. So the way that we do that is we can use the distance formula. And what we're doing is we're finding the distance between the center of the circle and this point on the circle, because that will be equal to the radius. So the formula that we're going to use is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So in this particular example, we'll use the center of the circle, 2, 4. We'll say those are our x1 and y1 coordinates. And then the point on the circle, this will be our x2 and our y2 coordinates. So we just need to plug these values into this distance formula. So we will write x2 minus x1. So x2 is 5, x1 is 2. So 5 minus 2 squared. Plus, we have y2 minus y1. So y2 is 12, y1 will be 4. 12 minus 4 squared. So we get 5 minus 2, that's 3. 3 squared is 9. Plus 12 minus 4, that's 8. 8 squared is 64. So 9 plus 64, we will get the square root of 73. 9 plus 64 is 73. So that's what r is equal to. But recall in our formula, we actually want r squared. So if we take the square of each side, r squared, it's just going to be equal to 73. Because the square root of 73 squared just turns it into 73. So now we have all of the values that we need to write the standard equation of the circle. We get x minus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 73. And that will be our final answer for this one. All right, let's take a look at the second example. Write the standard equation of a circle with the center negative 5, 3, and it contains the point 1, 8. So once again, this negative 5, 3, these represent our h and our k values that we will use in this formula. So we're going to write x minus h is a negative 5. So x minus a negative 5 is actually going to be a plus 5. X plus 5 squared plus y minus k, so k is 3, squared is equal to r squared. And once again, we need to solve for r. So the way that we do that is we use the distance formula. Which is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So again, we're going to use the center of the circle as our x1 and our y1 values, and we'll use the point on the circle as our x2 and y2 values that we're going to plug into this formula. So let's do that. x2 minus x1. So x2 is 1 minus a negative 5. So 1 plus 5 squared plus y2 is 8 minus y1. y1 is 3 squared. So we get 1 plus 5, that's 6. 6 squared is 36. Plus 8 minus 3, that's 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. So we will write the square root of 36 plus 25 is 61. So that is our r. Now recall, in the formula we need r squared. So r squared is just going to be equal to 61. So now we have all the values that we need to write the standard equation of the circle. So we get x plus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 61. And that is going to be our final answer. X plus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 61. Thanks for watching.